In this video, I'll show you how to make your documents look clean and professional using layout, spacing, fonts, and more. Whether it's an assignment, report, or book, this will change the way you format forever. Let's go. Before we jump into formatting tools, let's quickly bring in some sample text to practice with. Microsoft Word includes a built-in trick for this. Just type =rand and hit enter. Instantly, Word generates a few paragraphs, perfect for trying out formatting without having to write manually. With our sample text ready, let's begin by exploring the Home tab, your main control center for document formatting. We'll start with basic editing actions: cut, copy, and paste. To use them, first select your text by clicking and dragging with the mouse, or press Shift left right arrow key to select character by character, or use Shift Control left right arrow key to select word by word, or press Shift Home End key to select the whole line, or press Shift Page Up Page Down to select the whole page using the keyboard. Once selected, click Copy Ctrl+C to duplicate the text, or Cut Ctrl+X to remove it from its place. Once you've copied something, right-click wherever you want the text to appear. In the Paste Options section, you'll see three choices: Keep Source Formatting, K. Keeps the original formatting, font, size, color, from where you copied it. Merge Formatting, M. Use this when you want the text to look uniform with the rest of your document, but still want to keep some emphasis, like bold or italic. Example: the original content is bold, red, size 18, Arial. Your document uses regular, black, size 12, Times New Roman. After applying merge formatting, the text will appear bold, but now in black, size 12, Times New Roman. Keep text only. Removes all formatting, like font size or hyperlinks, and pastes plain text. Great for copying from websites or emails without bringing in unwanted formatting. Now that you've pasted your content, let's talk about where it's stored: the clipboard. Click the small arrow in the clipboard group to open it. Everything you cut or copy shows up here. You can click to paste individual items, use Paste All to insert everything at once, or Clear All to remove the list. This is super helpful when moving content between documents without switching windows constantly. Now let's understand what's really happening inside your document. There's a helpful button called Show Hide Paragraph Marks in the Home tab under the Paragraph group. When turned on, it reveals invisible formatting symbols like paragraph breaks and line returns. Each time you press Enter, you'll see a # symbol appear, showing a new paragraph. Many users keep this off, but turning it on gives you precise control when editing complex layouts. For example, suppose you want to insert content at the top of page 2. You could keep pressing Enter to push text down, but that adds a bunch of unnecessary blank lines. Typing a short list like Academy Tutorials, Duolingo language lessons, Coursera online courses, you'll notice it pushes your content down onto the next page. Instead of doing this manually, remove the blank lines and insert a page break. Go to the Layout tab, open the Breaks menu, and choose Page. This moves everything after the break onto a new page without clutter. The break line only shows if paragraph marks are visible. Paste the list back in, like Future Learn certification courses, LinkedIn learning programs, Udemy tech tutorials, YouTube educational series. Now your layout stays tidy and the next page remains unaffected. Want even more control? Use a section break instead. Unlike a page break, this allows you to apply different formatting, like margins or orientation, to specific areas. Each section becomes its own mini document. You can keep styles, layout, and headers separate. Let's try a practical layout improvement: columns. If you want to shorten vertical space, highlight your list, go to Columns, and choose 2. Your list is now evenly divided. Not happy with how it fits? Select More Columns to adjust widths, spacing, or even add a line between them. Apply this change to just the selection, a section, or the whole document. For documents that need line tracking, like poems or legal text, you can turn on line numbers from the Layout tab. Choose continuous or restart numbering per page or section. Nearby, you'll find Size, where you can change the paper dimensions. And under Orientation, switch between portrait and landscape depending on your document layout. Finally, click Margins to choose preset spacing, or open Custom Margins for full control. If your document has sections, these settings apply only within that part. Now that we've handled structure and layout, let's get back to the Home tab to focus on text styling. Start with font style. For example, switch from Times New Roman to Calibri for a more modern look. You can also change the size, maybe increase headings to 14 pt and body text to 11 pt for better readability. Use bold to highlight keywords like technology, italic for emphasis such as virtually, or underline for section titles. Want to draw attention to something important? Try the text highlight color, just like a real highlighter. In the paragraph group, align your text left, center, right, or justify blocks for a clean edge. You can also change line spacing. For example, use 1.5 to make your writing easier to read. Type the line for bullet, benefits of technology, tools used in online learning, future trends. Click on the bullets arrow and select the style that best fits your document. To keep headings consistent, use styles like Heading 1, Heading 2, or Normal. We covered layout, fonts, line spacing, and even a few extras to help your document stand out and feel more professional. If this video helped, give it a like, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you'd love to see next.